Now, a 12-hour bandh has been called by the Congress in West Midnapore Sabang area to protest the death of Krishnapada Jana, the 21-year-old student who died after being thrashed with cricket bats and hockey sticks, allegedly by Trinamool supporters on Friday. The Trinamool, however, has denied these allegations. The bandh is being supported by the BJP and the CPIM. A statewide chakka jam or roadblock has also been called by the Congress along with a strike across colleges in the state.
Well, it's a very unfortunate incident. A student lost their life because he refused to felicitate a TMC minister, and he was beaten to death by the TMC youth workers. Now, this just goes to show that jihadi mentality under Mamata Banerjee has percolated down to the college and university politics, and particularly championed by the TMC goons, TMC youth wing leaders.
And my colleague Prema Rajaram is tracking that story, and she now joins us from Sabang in the West Midnapore district of West Bengal. Prema, what's the situation like at the moment? This protest call has been given by the Congress but being supported by the BJP and the CPM as well.
Well, there's heavy security here at the college where I'm standing at. Security inside the college, even outside the college in the neighboring areas. And there is a bandh that has been called only in this block, in the Sabang block. But from 11 to 12, there's going to be a roadblock across the state that has been called by the Congress. There is no sight of any TMC supporters anywhere here. And this bandh is being supported by the BJP and the CPIM as well. What we hear is that sometime from now, the body which is there at the police station will be taken to Kharagpur, where the post-mortem will be conducted. Thereafter, the Chhatra Parishad supporters will be taking a procession where the body will be taken to the Congress office, and thereafter will be taken to his house before coming to the college also. So this is what we hear, but the Congress and the Chhatra Parishad clearly say that it is the Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad that is behind this incident, though the TMCP has denied these allegations and said that it was a scuffle that broke out amongst the Chhatra Parishad itself, because of which he died on the way to the hospital. And the Chief Minister herself is denying that the Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad had anything to do with this. Neha.